If you've done body work for any length of time, you already know the toll this work can take on your body, your energy, and your spirit. I've been a licensed myofascial release therapist for over 20 years. I started out doing heavy, deep myofascial work that got results but left me physically exhausted. Eventually, it started to wear me down. Then everything shifted. When my son Robbie was born with scoliosis, I realized the heavy technique I had relied upon to that point was far too aggressive for his system. So I stopped, I listened, and I tuned in. And then I developed a gentler way, one that honored the body without overpowering it. What emerged was a completely different experience, a form of myofascial release that bridges the physical and the energetic. It invites the body to unwind itself rather than forcing change from the outside. Here's the real gift. It doesn't just benefit your clients, it transforms you as the practitioner. There's no more straining, pushing, or injuring yourself. No more dreading the wear and tear of your work. Just ease, precision, and powerful results. In this 8 to 10 week course, I'll teach you everything you need to know about the art of gentle myofascial release, so you can show up more sustainably, serve more deeply, and build a practice that actually supports you and your family. In this course, you'll learn how to listen to fascia instead of fighting it, how to combine structural work with subtle energetic awareness, and how to deliver long-lasting change without exhausting yourself in the process. This work is systematic, personalized, and precise. It also allows you to extend the life of your career while falling back in love with the work you do, because you will get results that stick. If you're ready to evolve your hands-on skills, create deeper healing, and protect your own well-being in the process, this course is for you. Click the link below to join me. Learn the art of gentle myofascial release and give yourself the tools to thrive, not just now, but for years to come.